How can a man have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day? One lawyer have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day, and on that same day, the judge ordered for my arrest.
So the court has ordered for the immediate arrest of Verydarkman, and this is coming after Mercy Chinwo got an injunction to arrest Verydarkman following the lawsuit she filed against him that he defamed her character, a lawsuit of 1.2 billion naira. Guys, this has triggered a lot of reaction on the internet because this whole matter is coming because of Mercy Chinwo and her former record label boss, Mr. Easy T's issue that they've had series of times on the internet over royalties not paid to her and a lot of things that went down. So when Verydarkman started investigating into the whole issue, he claimed that Mercy Chinwo was the one that invited EFCC, and EFCC arrested EZT and so on. The matter continued, and at some point people were now seeing Mercy Chinwo's fault, and Mercy felt her character was defamed by Verydarkman. So Verydarkman and Mercy Chinwo were supposed to appear in court while the matter goes on, but as at the moment, Verydarkman is still in China. Yes, he traveled to China recently and could not appear in court. Despite his lawyer pleading that he would appear in court the next time, the judge rejected it and ordered that Verydarkman should be arrested and detained for failing to appear in court. This whole matter is not going to end anytime soon. But here's what Verydarkman has to say.
All right, so in respect to this news that went viral yesterday, that the courts have ordered for my arrest. First things first, the judiciary cannot shut me down. A lot of you don't know, but there's a plot for the judiciary to shut me down. But I will resist it. Instead, I will expose all those people paying money for it. I will expose all of you. All those people forum shopping judges. And all those that are illegal orders. I will expose all of you. Because tell me something. How can a man have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day? One lawyer have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day, and on that same day the judge ordered for my arrest. On that same day, after they told him, because my lawyer told him that this guy is not in Nigeria. My lawyer also told them that I have case in that same court and I have never missed a day. The lawyer told him that. As a matter of fact, I was even in China when they filed for that case, so I'm not around, and you're ordering for my own arrest and I'm not even around. Not just that, on that same day when they order for my arrest, that was yesterday, another court in Nyanya, High Court in Nyanya, is also issuing an injunction that I should not talk about Mercy Chinwo and EZT matter again. Meanwhile, these other magistrates that ordered for my arrest have also issued an injunction that I should not talk about this case. Now, the one in Nyanya that issued that injunction was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. He was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. Now, again, if you go through their case, the affidavit is very scanty. No reasonable person will give an order based on that affidavit, based on that case where they file. And they look the case and I'm like, what's going on here? Not just that, this ex parte that you people pass, this ex parte order, what did they call them? I thought the NJC, I've stopped that, I put a stop on that, and I've warned all judges to not do that ex parte thing anymore. So why is this judge in Nyanya, why is he doing it? And why are they trying to do it? This ex parte thing. So the NJC, is it that you don't have, the law does not stand? I mean, you put a stop to this, why are they trying to do it? So listen to me. Like I said, the judiciary cannot shut me down. Instead, all those people paying for it, I go expose all of now. I don't get that time. That being said, I know what they look for. You understand? They want the news. Oh, Verydarkman came to Nigeria, because their plan will be, if I come to Nigeria, may they handcuff me. They handcuff me, people go say, yes, oh, Mercy don't win and all that, blah, 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 blah. See, the truth is that, even if I come to Nigeria now, and they handcuff me, listen, it still does not change the truth. That there was abuse of power and influence against EZT. How? It's simple. Why did they move the case from Lagos where get EFCC can't go Ilorin, unless if they are looking for a place where they have a upper hand? Now I said it and I will quote it 1 million times. It might be a coincidence to every other person, but it's not a coincidence to me. Number one, the EFCC prosecutor have done 2 shows that are on YouTube. 2 shows, they don't go 2 shows together. He have done 2 shows with Mercy Chinwo's husband. He have done 2 shows. The EFCC prosecutor for this case. Not just that. The EFCC where arrest Izzy, where they detain her for more than 8 days for Iloni. The zonal chairman there, now pastor for Redeem, just like the EFCC prosecutor. And guess what? When they opened the Ilorin branch, this EFCC prosecutor, where they're in charge of this case between Mercy Chinwo and that zonal chairman there, who is also a pastor, they did together. And the both of them attend Redeem. It's not a coincidence to me. To sum it up, the judge were in charge of the case before, because he don't recuse himself. As he said, the thing don't they cast online, he recused himself. He not did the case again. That judge, they follow Mercy Chinwo for Instagram. Or, let me say, an account registered with his name, rather, is following Mercy Chinwo on Instagram, but he don't go and follow now. It's not a coincidence. So there's abuse of power somewhere. Me, I dey stand against oppression. I no care. So even if I come to Nigeria now and you detain me, it still does not mean that there's no truth in what I am saying. Did you people take the case to a place where you have upper hand? No or yes? Need I remind you people, I don't know about this case. Me, I'm giving my fair comments. Now she carried the case come online. Make everybody, oh my God, make everybody gather sympathy, start to bash the guy. I saw the loopholes. Why did they cut and join the videos? Why did she bring Pastor Jerry Eze into it? Why did she bring Nathaniel Bassey into it? Again, she lied in that video. They said that the guy paid bloggers to say that her child is not her child. There was never a news like that. There was never a news like that. So you, Mercy, you are a liar. Do you understand? So no matter how you people lie, use your biggest influence. The truth is the truth. Guess what? I am coming to Nigeria. Nobody they feel now. Now to that judge, to the magistrate, right? With all due respect, sir. Before they filed that case, I know they Nigeria. So this issue, this order of arrest is surprising to me. Do you understand? Because at least, if you even give me grace, say, okay, this guy, he didn't come the first time. Let's give him a grace for the second time. If at all, this is the first time I'm seeing that, okay, there's a case of defamation, and the next thing, they don't order for the person arrest on that first day. Come on. And again, to the lawyer, only you get one case in front of this magistrate. 6 cases in one day. Who you be? But guess what? The person will get the real God could come out from the case. The person will get the real God. The person will get the real God. Nobody they fear anybody. Oh. That Nigeria must better. Oh. We stand against oppression. Even though they go lock us up, no problem. But slowly, we don't see the change. Unlike before where we say, okay, no, just go arrest person. Now they don't do one small one. These people don't they go fight case for court. I go write letter to the CJ. I go write. This case, I they come Nigeria. Wanna do now what wanna see me. I they come Nigeria. Nobody they fear anybody. Nigeria is my country. I will never live there for anywhere else in the world. Never. See I see the when fine like this, where any other person go come, he go look for a way to stay. I ain't gonna stay here. I was born in Nigeria, man. I can't leave Nigeria for anywhere else. So when I notice, okay, yes, when I do, the highest that can happen if I land, immigration come, police come, they come cuff me, blah, blah, that's the worst. But guess what? I'm still gonna come out of the case. When I know when I said there's no win in this. The truth remains the truth. The case has been compromised right from time. Nobody they fear anybody. You're gonna learn, and you'll learn the hard way. Don't play. Don't play.
So from the reactions of people on the internet, it seems this whole case is going crazy because a lot of Mercy Chinwo's fans are now against her. And this is simply because they said For her to be a Christian and a minister of God, she's not supposed to go that route with Verydarkman. She was probably supposed to have ignored Verydarkman and just let him say whatever he wants to say, is his opinion, and let everything slide down. And she was also supposed to opt for peaceful resolution with her former record label boss, Mr. Easy T, considering the fact that the man saw potentials in her, invested in her, and brought her to where she has gotten to. The whole thing is just getting crazy because honestly, Mercy Chinwo is losing her fans. Let's just not lie. Let's just be honest with ourselves. Now, there are also this group of people that are like, no, 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 that being a Christian should not make you coward. That Mercy Chinwo should stand up for herself. If she feels Verydarkman defamed her, she should sue him, follow the matter. If she needs to get a compensation of 1 billion naira or 1.2 billion naira, she should request for it and get it from Verydarkman. The whole thing is just getting crazy. Why Verydarkman has said he's going to return from China, and of course, he would appear in court or he would present himself for arrest. Let me know what you think about this whole matter in the comment below. Do you think Mercy Chinwo should have left Verydarkman, or you think this route, going to court and ordering for his arrest, is the best option? I'll be reading your own opinion in the comments below. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Quickview Sport to stay updated with all your latest stories. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye.